All right, welcome back. Today we are going to look at how to make a random picker using a spinning wheel effect. So you start with a blank presentation, make sure it's a presentation. And really what we want to do is we're going to jump down here to apps. And I've already selected it, search for Lucky Wheel. I'm going to use this app in particular. And we have a choice of several different designs that we can use. All right, I'm going to start with this one. All right, and we will go back. Now we have to fill in what each of the pie wedges are going to be. I've done something a little bit in advance here, and I've created list of names, and I'm just going to paste those in. We can generate the wheel. There we go. Now I want to go over, I'm going to select a different style of wheel. Maybe we'll do this little more colorful one. We'll go back, and like I said, I'm going to get rid of these, and I'm going to use this as like a chore chart. So I made a list of chores. Go in here, and I'll paste those in there. And let's generate that wheel. All right, there we go. So that's all there is to it. We'll go up here to presentation mode, and all you have to do is click each wheel. They'll start spinning, and the next thing you know, Sue gets assigned the laundry or the lawn. Go mow the lawn. Now, one of the things I don't like here is it doesn't really take options away. It's always congratulations. But hey, this is a really easy way to like just have a couple of random pickers. You can use it with your kids. You could use it in schools, assign tasks, or just use only one wheel to pick a name, call on them, go from there. I'll close these out. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed this.